Paramjit Arora began his career as a small-time distributor in the pharmaceutical industry. Despite a lack of experience in manufacturing, he was well aware of the market and was driven by the determination to do something of his own. He devised an elaborate plan of setting up his own manufacturing unit and was waiting for the right time. And soon enough, the opportunity came with the announcement of the excise-free zone at Baddi in Himachal Pradesh.
मेरे को फार्मा का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट के लिए ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था, तो इसमें मैंने कुछ फार्मा के जो इस इंडस्ट्री में लोग हैं उनका हेल्प लिया और कुछ अपना जो टेक्निकल लोग थे और कुछ कंसल्टेंट थे उनकी हेल्प ली इसमें मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट लगाने में.
With a clear vision and passion for excellence, Health Biotech took up a challenge to produce highly sophisticated pharmaceutical products for acute care, which were rare in the Indian market. The efforts paid off well within the first year of the company's inception in 2005. Thereafter, Health Biotech launched a wide range of specialized drugs for neurological, cardiovascular and oncology-related disorders.
We are at Health Biotech basically into manufacturing of dry and liquid injections, pre-filled syringes, dry and wet syrups, tablets, capsules, sachets, ointments. We have huge manufacturing facilities and our specialization is into pre-filled syringes and anti-cancer drugs.
इसमें हमारे पास अगर टोटल प्रोडक्ट रेंज की बात करें एंटी कैंसर में तो 40 के करीब हमारे पास अच्छे प्रोडक्ट हैं, अच्छे मॉलिक्यूल हैं और इसमें हम और नाइपर से और कुछ बाहर से आउटसोर्सिंग करके भी इसमें न्यू मॉलिक्यूल डाल रहे हैं.
The company has well-equipped ultra-modern facilities to cater to various demands for medicines in the international market. This elaborate infrastructure has the latest automatic tunnel systems to make sterile injectables and ready-to-inject pre-filled syringes further add to the technological advancements of the facility.
We have very big lyophilizers in our factory. We are able to lyophilize the injections in such a way that till the time the injection is used, the concentration and the quality of the product remains absolutely the same and there is no deterioration.
A contract manufacturer for more than 300 top reputed pharma companies, Health Biotech is now spreading its wings to start its own marketing activities across India and abroad. The company is now in the process of acquiring patents and certifications to penetrate into the overseas market and export its products directly.
In India, we are catering to more than 300 clients in contract manufacturing, which includes companies like Cadila, Cipla, Vocard, Nicholas Piramal. And then in our critical care division, we have around 20,000 doctors. And then we also have the direct marketing division where we have given our franchises to 3,000 customers across the country.
We are trying to penetrate a number of African markets, minus South Africa, some markets in Southeast Asia, and some markets in Latin America.
Health Biotech is a research and development driven company which develops new fixed dose combinations of medicines. State-of-the-art techniques and instruments are in place in the laboratories to keep up the R&D activities of the organization. The company also sets up mandatory training programs for its staff on a regular basis.
We have recently opened a Health Biotech Research Center, which is headed by a renowned scientist, Dr. Rajesh Sahigal, and he is going to be working on new molecules, and the specialization in new molecules is going to be oncology, that is the anti-cancer.
At HBRC, we have vision to innovate new drugs at a low cost price, basically economical drugs with better efficacy. Area of strengths are biotechnology, plant research, natural products, and incremental innovation in presently available drugs.
Apart from an ISO 9001 certification, Health Biotech also has a WHO GMP recognition that has helped in its rapid growth right from the beginning. The company's uniqueness lies in its product line that is hard to find under one umbrella. Its business inflow progressed from 22 crore rupees to 80 crore rupees in its first 3 years itself. The next level of plans is now in order, and Health Biotech has set a target to cross a turnover of 700 crore rupees in the next 5 years.
फ्यूचर प्लान में हम पावर सेक्टर को टारगेट लेके चल रहे हैं, क्योंकि हिमाचल गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ स्कीम्स ओपन की हैं जिसमें हम लोग भी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, और हम एक पब्लिक इशू भी लेके आ रहे हैं जो नेक्स्ट ईयर में ही प्लान है.
We are very young in the industry, but within a short span of time, that is 5 years, we have really built up our name. Right? Last year we touched around 80 crore rupees business.
Having achieved his dreams of becoming an entrepreneur, Paramjit Arora is a content man today. Despite his tremendous success as a pharma manufacturer and the company's ever-increasing revenues, Arora's only aim is to bring down the cost of medicines. His sole mantra for success being health for all at an affordable price.